I'm having a very glamorous and unglamorous dog day today. First, I'm at the shelter to walk some dogs. These are my dog friends that are not dogs, and this is my dog friend that is a dog. Say hi. Marvin, hello. Hi. Okay, who's up first? Okay, my audio cut out for some reason, but this is Cherokee. She's a senior dog, and she is so sweet. The theme is dogs and cats.
Hello, who is that? Hi.
This is Hulk, and he was found as a big stray. They were gonna TNR him, but he's too friendly.
And I need out. Hello. Hello.
Scrappy! This dog's name is Hollow. Easy walk on a leash. Sit. Good girl. So gentle. Good girl. Okay, and now for the more glamorous dog event. From the shelter to Oscar de la Renta. Yay! Congratulations!